Good morning, students. Very good. Good morning. Today we shall discuss relations and functions. This is the most very important topic. Okay. Now we shall discuss relations. In our family, there are four persons. You can, let us take set A is equals to father, mother, brother, sister. Here we can discuss father mother relation, wife and husband relation, father brother. Here father brother का father and son का relation, father sister. Here sister means here father and daughter का relation, mother son का relation, mother daughter का relation. Something relation is there. Okay, we know that. But in mathematically, how can we prove and what is the definition of relation? Let us take A. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3. Easy. And second set B is equals to A comma B. Bas. Set A 1 comma 2 comma 3, B A comma B. These are two non-empty sets. Yes or no? Yes. You can take Cartesian product of A and B. Already we discussed in 11th class Cartesian product. Do you know? Yes. A cross B. This is called a Cartesian product. Cartesian product means क्या है? Set of all order pairs. 1A order pair. Everybody knows 1A, 1B, yes, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. This is the Cartesian product. Now we shall discuss relation. Relation क्या है? You can take any element from A cross B. Any elements 1 comma A, 2 comma A, 3 comma A or 3 comma B. You can take elements from A cross B. This is called one relation R. Here the relation. For example, this is R1. Next R2, 2A, 3A, 3B. You can take any elements from A cross B. Now we are observing here R1 is subset of A cross B. This is right or wrong? देखो 1 comma A here, yes. 2 comma A here, yes. 3 comma A here, yes. 3 comma B here, yes. So R1 is the subset of A cross B. Here R2, 2 comma A, 3 comma A, 3 comma B. So R2 is subset of A cross B. R2 is subset of A cross B. R1 is subset of A cross B. R2 is subset of A cross B. So R1 is the relation from A to B. And also R2 is a relation from A to B. Or understand? Very simple. You can take two sets and you can create the Cartesian product and you can select some elements from A cross B and is subset of A cross B, then that relation, then that R1 or R2 is called a relations. Or understand? Yes. सभी को समझ में गया? Very nice. So definition क्या है? Definition. Simply definition. You can give definition. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. Very clear. Then the relation R from A to B is, this is the main, A to B is subset of A cross B. Here A cross B का meaning क्या है? Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Are understand? Yes. Now we shall discuss types of relations. Types of relations. Most very important. This is 6 mark question है, 6 marks. Types of relations. Types of relations. Very simple. First of all, first relation क्या है? Reflexive. Reflexive. Second one क्या है? Symmetric. Third one क्या है? Transitive. Transitive. Fourth one, equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Very important. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalence relation. What is the definition of reflexive? Reflexive. You can, what you are giving, then you can save. Yes or no? You can take same also. That is called reflexive, symmetric also, transitive also, equivalence relation. Now we shall discuss reflexive. Reflexive. What is the definition of reflexive relation? Reflexive relation क्या है? Okay. You can take one set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Yes. And you can create only one set, so A cross A. Tell me 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4. Yes, tell me 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Next one 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. This is the Cartesian product. You can take any relation R 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. This is the one relation. This is reflexive or not? We are also checking no. Reflexive. Actually, definition of reflexive क्या है? Definition क्या है? Now you can take one. You can take one. One का order pair and itself also one. So one का one. One belongs to A. One belongs to A. For every element in A, for every element in A has order pair 1, 1 belongs to R, then it is called a reflexive. For example, you can take 1 belongs to A, उसका reflexive क्या है? Same 1, 1 belongs to R. Yes or no? Yes. 1, 1. Yes. 1, 1 belongs to R. So satisfied. And another element 2, 2. Yes. 1 belongs to A. 1, 1 belongs to R. 2 belongs to A. 2, 2 belongs to R. 3 belongs to A. 3, 3 belongs to R. 4 belongs to A. 4, 4 belongs to R. So R is the reflexive relation. Here R is subset of A cross A. So relation. Now we shall check R 1, 1. You can take any element from A. You can take any element or every element from A. Its order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 belongs to R. That is called a reflexive relation. here for example R set क्या क्या है 1 2 3 4 ठीक है R क्या है 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 we are also taking 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 4 comma 4 yes first 1 belongs to A for every element in A having order pair belongs to R 1 belongs to A yes 1 comma 1 belongs to R yes 2 belongs to A 2 comma 2 belongs to R yes 3 belongs to A 3 comma 3 belongs to R yes 4 belongs to A 4 comma 4 belongs to R yes so R is reflexive or understand yes every element in A has the order pair belongs to R so R is the reflexive relation or understand yes now simply we can इसका for every A belongs to A then we have to prove simple definition we have to prove A comma A belongs to R most very important definition for every A belongs to A then we have to prove A comma A belongs to R then automatically R is a reflexive relation now symmetric simply every A comma B belongs to R every A comma B belongs to R and A comma B belongs to R we can take one order pair A comma B belongs to R then we have to prove symmetry reverse B comma A belongs to R you can prove you can take 1 comma 2 belongs to R then you have to prove 2 comma 1 belongs to R automatically then R is symmetric relation every A comma B belongs to R and A comma B belongs to R you can take A comma B belongs to R and automatically B comma A belongs to R then R is a symmetric relation for example you can take one relation 1 comma 2 2 comma anything no problem 2 comma 1 2 comma 3 4 comma 3 3 comma 2 3 comma 4 बस अब observe 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 2 comma 3 3 comma 2 4 comma 3 3 comma 4 okay for every A comma B belongs to R for every A comma B belongs to R every A comma B belongs to R you can take 1 comma 2 belongs to R let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to R then we have to prove 1 comma 2 का reverse elements क्या है 2 comma 1 is in this set yes or no yes so this is true now 2 comma 3 belongs to R 3 comma 2 reverse symmetry means reverse element A comma B B comma A 1 comma 2 belongs to R then 2 comma 3 belongs to R if 1 comma 2 belongs to R then 2 comma 1 is in this set so relation 2 comma 3 belongs to R this is what is 3 comma 2 3 comma 2 is in this set yes is in this set so belongs to R yes next 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 2 comma 3 3 comma 2 4 comma 3 3 comma 4 you can take 3 comma 4 comma 3 belongs to R that implies 3 comma 4 is in this set yes so every A comma B belongs to R and A comma B belongs to R then we have to prove B comma A belongs to R, then automatically R is a symmetric. Okay. Next, transitive. Transitive. Third one. Transitive relation. Very simple. Same. But we are also taking here three elements. Every A comma B comma C belongs to R, and three elements, and you can take two pairs. A comma B belongs to R, comma B comma C belongs to R. Then we have to prove. Then we have to prove A comma C belongs to R. Then automatically R is a transitive relation. How it is? A comma B belongs to R. You can take two pairs. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. Here दोनों equal होना चाहिए, and automatically this is 2. A comma C belongs to A. Then we have to prove. Then automatically R is transitive relation. Just example. We will give one example. Don't worry. You can take any relation R, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3. Okay, 3 comma 1. Okay, now just we can prove it. Let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Yes. 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Yes. We can take two pairs. सबसे पहले क्या करना? You can take two pairs. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Now ये दोनों छोड़, अभी क्या मिल गया? 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Is in the set or not? Yes, is in the set. So we can take 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Then automatically what we have proved? 1 comma 3 belongs to R. So this is the R is transitive relation. Now most very important last one, equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Fourth one, last one. Equivalence relation. A relation is said to be equivalence if R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. पहले तीनों satisfy हो गया, then automatically that is relation is called a equivalence relation. A relation R is said to be equivalence relation if R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Simple. Reflexive हम प्रूव किया, ओके, सिमेट्रिक प्रूव किया, ट्रांसिटिव प्रूव किया, then automatically equivalence relation also we have to prove. Or understand? Yes. Now we shall discuss one example, most very important example, most very important one. check whether the relation are defined in the set A 1 2 3 4 5 6 as relation are A comma B such that B is equals to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Very simple. Check whether the relation are defined in the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We will be check now how. Very clearly, let us take, let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you can create the relation. रिलेशन क्या है? आर पर ए कामा बी सच दैट सबको मालूम है बी इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस 1. रिलेशन क्या इधर क्या है? बी इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस 1. जस्ट यू कैन क्रिएट द रिलेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट यू कैन टेक ए वैल्यू 1. यू कैन टेक इफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बी क्या है? इफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बी क्या है? 2. Yes, 1 plus 1 2. If A is equals to 2, B क्या है? 3. If A is equals to 3, B क्या है? 4. If A is equals to 4, B क्या है? 5. If A is equals to 5, B क्या है? 6. Yes or no? If A is equals to 6, B क्या है? 7. So you can create the relation क्या है? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. First of all, you can create the relation. Yes, already I created the relation. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Now we shall check R. Relation क्या है? R is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Yes. Now we will check reflexive, symmetry, transitive. Set क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relation क्या है? 1, 2, set of 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. First of all, we shall check reflexive. Reflexive definition क्या है? For every element in A, okay, A belongs to A, then we have to prove reflexive means itself for every element in A, okay, has its. For example, you can take 1 का itself क्या है? 1. So R pair 1, 1 is there in R? No. So R is not a reflexive. For example, for every okay, definition क्या है? For every element in A belongs to A, then we have to prove order pair A, A belongs to R. Let For example, 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs to A. What do we have to prove? Yes, 1 comma 1 belongs to R. Is in the element in R? Is in the element in R? No. Is in the element in R? No. 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Reflection means itself. For example, 2 belongs to A. 2 comma 2 belongs to R. Is there any? Is in the element in R? No. Yes. So R is not reflexive. वेरी गुड, हो गया, रिफ्लेक्सिव हो गया. नेक्स्ट सिमेट्रिक. सिमेट्रिक चेक करेंगे. सिमेट्रिक डेफिनेशन क्या है? एवरी ए कामा बी बिलोंग्स टू ए. एवरी ए कामा बी बिलोंग्स टू ए and order pair a comma b belongs to a, sorry, order pair a comma b belongs to R, then we have to prove. Symmetric means reverse. a comma b का reverse क्या है? b comma a. Symmetric का क्या है? Let, for example, you can take, let us take order pair 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Yes, let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. इसका सिमेट्रिक क्या है? 2 comma 1. वेरी गुड. 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is in the element in R. Is in the element in R? No. No. 1 comma 2, yes, belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is any element in R? No. 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Similarly, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, but 3 comma 2 does not belongs to R. 3 comma 4 belongs to R, but 4 comma 3 does not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. Yes. Yes. Now transitive check करेंगे. Transitive definition क्या है? Every a comma b comma c belongs to A. And order pair a comma b belongs to R, b comma c belongs to R, then then we have to prove a comma c belongs to R. Transitive, you can take, let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Yes. 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Yes. We can take 2 order pairs. Yes, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 belongs to R. These are right. Now we have to prove 1 comma 3 is in the element in R? No. So does not belongs to R. So R is not transitive. सभी को समझ में आ गया? Very good. Are you understand all? Very good. Okay. Tomorrow we shall discuss more problems. ठीक है.